How to make this paper airplane fly far. Step 1. Fold the airplane slowly and carefully. Pay attention to every fold so the wings are sharp and balanced. Take your time, you can do it. Step 2. Hold the airplane by the back end. Step 3. Throw it forward with a smooth, strong motion. Start from behind your body and follow through forward. Step 4. Aim your throw slightly upward. This will help the airplane fly high and far. If you throw it correctly, your plane can fly as far as 200 feet. Let's go. Time to fold your airplane. Ready? Let's fold this awesome paper airplane together. Just follow each step, nice and easy, and soon you'll have a plane that's ready to soar. Let's get started. Great job, you did it. Now, it's time to take your airplane outside and launch it into the sky. Throw it strong, throw it smooth, and watch it fly far and high. Good luck, and have fun flying your plane. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next awesome paper airplane tutorial. See you next time.